Hello students, welcome to all scholar classes. So today I will be taking the fifth part of the second chapter, microorganisms, friend and foe. So this is from class 8 science. We have already in the past 4 videos, if you will go that, we have already discussed so many things about microorganisms, how they are useful, means how they are friend, and how they are harmful, that is how they are our foe. Even our of plants also and of animals also. They are not harmful to only human beings, but they are harmful to plants and animals also. So in today's chapter, we shall be discussing about nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. We will see the full cycle of nitrogen. Okay. So in nitrogen fixation, if you remember in class 7th and 6th, both I think, you have already read about bacterium, about a bacteria that is a rhizobium. Okay, I think you must have remembered about rhizobium. So what was happening there, that this bacteria, that is rhizobium, is involved in nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation में कौन involved था? Rhizobium. Okay, rhizobium was involved. Fixation of nitrogen in many leguminous plant. Leguminous plant के example में क्या था? Pulse. Pulses are leguminous plant. Okay. So if you will recall about rhizobium, it lives in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Okay, I will be showing you the diagram also, that how in the root nodules you will see that these are the root nodules and these are the rhizobium living in the root nodules. Okay, so these rhizobium, they live in the root nodules of leguminous plant, and leguminous plant के example क्या है? Pulses are the example of leguminous plant. Okay. Also there are some other plants like beans are there, beans and peas are there, which gives a symbiotic relationship. Okay. So I shall be discussing about all these things, and this chapter we will see that sometimes nitrogen get fixed through the action of lightning, but the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. So you must be wondering how this amount of nitrogen remains fixed. So that all we shall be seeing in this chapter. So let's start. Okay. So here in this figure you can see that this is a leguminous plant, okay, and these are the root nodules of leguminous plant, and here this you can see that this is rhizobium that is living in this leguminous plant. Okay, so these are rhizobium, the bacteria which I was talking about. Okay, so they are present in the root nodules. These are the root nodules in which these rhizobiums are present. Okay, so plant like pulses, it has got these rhizobium bacteria. Okay, so let's discuss about the nitrogen cycle. So we all know that our atmosphere has got 78% of nitrogen. Okay, so this is the largest amount among the gases. Nitrogen gas is present in the largest amount among the gases. Okay, so our atmosphere has got 98% of nitrogen gas. So there are other gases also, like oxygen is there, argon is there, but rest all of them are, carbon is there in little amount. The highest percent is of nitrogen. Okay, and the second very important thing about nitrogen is that nitrogen is one of the essential constituent of all living organisms. Okay, for all the living organisms it is a very essential constituent. So we can find nitrogen nitrogen. Nitrogen is a part of, you can say, or you can say that nitrogen is found in, it is found in proteins, in nucleic acids, okay, in vitamins, and in chlorophylls. Okay, so you all know that chlorophyll is an important constituent of plants. So you can see now that proteins, nucleic acid, and vitamins and chlorophyll. In all these nitrogen constitutes. Okay, nitrogen is present in all these things. So what happens? The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Please note this thing, that the atmospheric nitrogen can't be taken by plants and animals directly. Okay? Atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken by plants and animals directly. So now the question is, if this nitrogen can't be taken by the plants and animals directly, how they are going to take it? There comes the concept of nitrogen fixation. Okay? So what happens is, these nitrogen, it is fixed. Okay? It is being fixed by either lightning or natural nitrogen fixers. We will be studying about the nitrogen fixers. So it is fixed by either lightning, okay, and there are so many types of nitrogen fixers are there. Okay, some nitrogen fixers are there. We shall be discussing about that also. Okay, so it is fixed by either lightning or nitrogen fixers. Okay, so 4 important points are there. Okay, our atmosphere has got 78% of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is a main constituent of all the living organisms. It is found in proteins, nucleic acids, vitamins, and chlorophylls. The third very important thing is that the atmospheric nitrogen, जो atmosphere में nitrogen है, वो directly plants और animals नहीं ले सकते हैं. Can't be taken by plants and animals directly. तो अब वो directly नहीं ले सकते हैं तो क्या होता है? तो nitrogen fixation का concept आता है. So this nitrogen is being fixed by either lightning or by some nitrogen fixtures. Okay, so we shall be studying what is this lightning and what is this nitrogen fixers. Okay, so there are two types of, if we talk about nitrogen fixers, there are basically two types of nitrogen fixing bacteria are there. Okay, so the two types of nitrogen fixing bacteria are, the first one is the rhizobium bacteria. In our previous class also, in 6th, 7th also, we have read a little about rhizobium bacteria. Okay, so the one is the rhizobium bacteria, and the other type of nitrogen fixing bacteria are the cyanobacteria, and these cyanobacteria, they are also called as blue-green algae. Okay, so the other one is a cyanobacteria. Okay, commonly called as blue-green algae. Okay, so there are two natural nitrogen fixing bacteria. These are natural nitrogen fixing bacteria. One is the rhizobium bacteria and the other one is the cyanobacteria. Okay, so now we shall discuss about the nitrogen cycle. Step by step, nitrogen cycle will be discussed. So firstly, tell you the steps that are involved in nitrogen fixation. तो नाइट्रोजन साइकिल के स्टेप्स क्या क्या है? The first step is there are, we will count about the steps, so there are many steps. Okay, so the first one is the nitrogen fixation. Okay, I will be showing you the full cycle of how this nitrogen fixation takes place. And second one is the nitrification. Okay. The third one if we talk about is the assimilation. Okay. And the fourth one is ammonification. Ammonification. Okay, so major steps are these, and in the last there is a one step that is a dendrification. Okay, so let's see these steps in detail. So the first one is the nitrogen fixation. What happens in nitrogen fixation? Certain bacteria. First of all, I would like to tell you there are three types of nitrogen fixation. Okay. The first one is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Okay. The second one is biological nitrogen fixation. Okay. And the third one is the industrial nitrogen fixation. Okay, so there are three types of nitrogen fixation: atmospheric nitrogen fixation, biological nitrogen fixation, and the industrial nitrogen fixation. So in atmospheric nitrogen fixation, what happens कि during lightning, जब lightning होती है, so due to high temperature, the atmospheric nitrogen reacts with oxygen. What is going to happen? जब lightning होती है, during lightning ड्यू टू हाई टेम्परेचर, जब लाइटनिंग होगी तो टेम्परेचर जो है कि हाई हो जाएगा, तो जो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन है, एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन विल रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन. एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन किस में रिएक्ट करेगा? ऑक्सीजन में, एंड इट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म. अब क्या फॉर्म होगा? नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड. ओके, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड फॉर्म होगा, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड फॉर्म होगा, एंड नाइट्रोजन पर ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन per oxide. Okay, so it is clear that in atmospheric nitrogen fiction, what happens during lightning, due to high temperature, the atmospheric nitrogen fixes, or you can say reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen peroxide. Okay. Now these compounds, all these three compounds which are formed, what happens further that they dissolve in rainwater. Okay. These compounds, they dissolve in rain water. Okay, all of these three compounds, and when they dissolve in rainwater, what do they form? They form nitric acid. Okay, so that's why you must have heard that कि बारिश के पानी को क्या बोलते हैं? नाइट्रिक एसिड की बरसात हो रही है, because these three compounds dissolve in rainwater and they form nitric acid. So when it reaches on the earth, when rain comes and it reaches on the earth's surface, then on the earth's surface this nitric acid react with alkalis. Okay, react with alkalis and then they form nitrates. What do they form? Nitrates. Okay, so these nitrates, it can be easily absorbed by plants. Okay, plants absorb this nitrates. So I hope atmospheric nitrogen fixation is very clear to you. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation में कुछ नहीं होता है, बस जो atmospheric nitrogen है वो react करेगी ऑक्सीजन से और ये तीन compounds बनाएगी, नाइट्रस ऑक्साइड, नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड और नाइट्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. अब ये जो तीनों compounds बने ये dissolve होंगे रेन वाटर में to form nitric acid, और these nitric acid when it comes on the earth's surface, when the raindrop comes on the earth's surface, they react with alkalis and then they form nitrates, and these nitrates are easily absorbed by plants. Plants उनको easily absorb कर लेते हैं. So this was about atmospheric nitrogen fixation. And if we talk about biological nitrogen fixation, so in case of biological nitrogen fixation, there are certain bacteria, as I have already talked, certain bacteria or also blue-green algae. Okay, so they can fix nitrogen directly from nitrates. They can fix nitrogen directly from nitrates. Okay, and the third one is the industrial nitrogen. So in case of industrial nitrogen, what happens? In this, nitrogen combines with hydrogen. नाइट्रोजन किससे कंबाइन करता? हाइड्रोजन से. कब कंबाइन करेगा? अंडर हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर. नाइट्रोजन किससे कंबाइन करेगा? हाइड्रोजन से, लेकिन कंडीशन क्या होनी चाहिए? हाई टेम्परेचर एंड हाई प्रेशर टू ईल्ड अमोनिया. ओके, क्या बनेगा? अमोनिया. अमोनिया इज फॉर्म, एंड this process, when nitrogen combines with hydrogen to aid ammonia, this process is called as Haber's process. इस process को क्या नाम दिया गया था? Haber's process, on the name of the scientists who had discovered it. But ये जो अमोनिया फॉर्म हुआ वो in turn ऑक्सीडाइज होके वापस से क्या बनाएगा? नाइट्रेट्स एंड अमोनियम सॉल्ट. ओके, तो ये फर्दर ऑक्सीडाइज होगा, ऑक्सीडाइजेस एंड फॉर्म नाइट्रेट्स एंड ammonium salts. Okay, so three types of nitrogen fixation I have told. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation, उसमें भी finally nitrates बनेंगे. Biological nitrogen fixation में directly जो है कि combine करके ये nitrates बना लेगा, directly nitrogen से combine किया और nitrates बने. और industrial nitrogen fixation में nitrogen combines करेगा hydrogen से under high temperature and pressure to yield ammonia and they oxidizes back into nitrates. So finally सारे process में nitrates का formation हो रहा है. So these were the three types of nitrogen fixation. So here we will, in the nitrogen cycle, we will see that certain bacteria like Rhizobium is there, Azobacter, blue-green algae, all of these are present in the soil. So what do? They fix नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम द एटमॉस्फेयर. नाइट्रोजन को लेंगे एटमॉस्फेयर से एंड फिक्स इट ammonia converts into नाइट्राइट्स। किसमें कन्वर्ट होगा? नाइट्राइट्स में। अमोनिया का कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा नाइट्राइट्स में, और ये कन्वर्जन कौन करेगा? नाइट्रोसोमोनास। ओके, हु इज डूइंग ऑल दिस? नाइट्रोसोमोनास। ओके, conversion of ammonia is converted into nitrites by nitrosomonas, and further this nitrites into nitrates. further क्या होगा? ये nitrites का किसमें conversion हो जाएगा? nitrates में। ओके, और ये conversion किसके थ्रू होगा? नाइट्रोबैक्टर। ओके, सो दो कन्वर्जन हो रहा है। एक क्या हो रहा है? अमोनिया कन्वर्ट हो रहा है नाइट्राइट्स में, उस टाइम कौन सी बैक्टीरिया इन्वॉल्व है? नाइट्रोसोमोनास। फिर नाइट्राइट्स का कन्वर्जन हो रहा है नाइट्रेट्स में, बैक्टीरिया इन्वॉल्व इज नाइट्रोबैक्टर। नाउ प्लांट्स टेक अप द नाइट्रोजन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अमोनिया और नाइट्रेट्स। ठीक है, अब प्लांट्स डायरेक्टली एब्जॉर्ब कर लेंगे इन नाइट्रेट्स को, या वो अमोनिया के फॉर्म में लेते हैं नाइट्रोजन को। ओके, एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि प्लांट्स या एनिमल डायरेक्टली एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को नहीं ले सकते हैं, इसीलिए फिक्सेशन होता है। जब नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन हुआ तो अब ये जो नाइट्रेट्स फॉर्म हुए उनको प्लांट्स या एनिमल्स ले लेंगे। रिमेंबर दिस कि अमोनिया नाइट्राइट्स में कन्वर्ट होगा बाय द बैक्टीरिया नाइट्रोसोमोनास, एंड दिस नाइट्राइट्स इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू नाइट्रेट्स बाय द बैक्टीरिया नाइट्रोबैक्टर। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज assimilation. Assimilation में क्या होगा? Once nitrogen is being converted into these usable compounds, we have seen that how nitrogen is being converted into usable compound. Now it can be utilized by plants from the soil through the root system. अब जो usable उसमें है, plants इनको absorb करेंगे। ओके, plants कहाँ से absorb करते हैं इसको? Plants are going to absorb it from the soil. Okay, from the soil through the root system. Or nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plant protein and other compounds. Now this nitrogen is being used for the synthesis of plant protein. प्लांट के प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस में आपको काम में आएगा, या कोई भी और कंपाउंड्स के सिंथेसिस में। ओके, सो एंड व्हाट हैपेंस? सो दिस वाज अबाउट प्लांट। प्लांट आर गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब इट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द सॉइल, और प्लांट का प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस और अदर कंपाउंड का सिंथेसिस होगा। लेकिन एनिमल्स के केस में क्या होगा? हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब इट? सो दीज एनिमल्स दोज आर फीडिंग ऑन दीज प्लांट्स। एनिमल्स जो इन प्लांट्स में पे डिपेंड करते हैं, जो उन पे फीड करते हैं, वो क्या करेंगे? दे गेट प्रोटीन एंड अदर नाइट्रोजन कंपाउंड्स। अब क्या है कि ये प्लांट्स की प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस हुई तो प्रोटीन बना, तो ये एनिमल्स जो प्लांट्स पे फीड करते हैं वो प्रोटीन और अदर कंपाउंड्स को प्लांट के थ्रू ले लेते हैं। ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट assimilation. Now next is ammonification. So in case of ammonification, when plants and animals die, bacteria and fungus present in the soil converts in the nitrogenous waste into a compound that can be used by plants again. Okay, if you will go in my future parts from part 1 to 4, we have already discussed about all these things कि how these microorganisms usefulness में हमने बताया है कि ये मैन्योर कैसे बनाते हैं, how they make manure which can be used by these plants. Okay, so जब plants और animals की death हो जाती है तो जितने भी बैक्टीरिया या फंगस हैं, बैक्टीरिया और फंगस क्या डेथ किए या जो प्लांट्स डेथ किए या और भी कोई नाइट्रोजनस बेस है उनको यूजफुल कंपाउंड्स में बनाते हैं जो कि फिर से प्लांट्स यूज कर सकते हैं इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ, यू कैन से इट्स लाइक अ मैन्योर फॉर दीज प्लांट्स. ओके, सो द लास्ट स्टेप इज denitrification. Okay, in denitrification what happens, the nitrates that was formed can be converted into nitrogen gas. Okay, nitrates formed can be converted into nitrogen gas which is released back into the atmosphere by certain bacteria. Okay, तो जो नाइट्रेट्स बनी थी वो वापस से नाइट्रोजन गैस में कन्वर्ट हुई और ये नाइट्रोजन गैस बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू वापस से, सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू वापस से कहाँ चला जाएगा, एटमॉस्फेयर में चला जाएगा. ओके, और इनको ले जाने वाले कौन है, सर्टेन बैक्टीरिया है. एग्जाम्पल के लिए आप ले लीजिए सुडोमोनास. सुडोमोनास इज अ बैक्टीरिया which helps in this process. Okay, now one very important question, as in the beginning only I have told that कि जो atmospheric nitrogen है it remains constant, वो हमेशा constant रहता है, उसमें कोई change नहीं आता. तो आपने देखा नाइट्रोजन साइकिल में नाइट्रोजन यूज हुआ बट वही नाइट्रोजन जो नाइट्रेट्स के फॉर्म में बना था वो अगेन नाइट्रोजन गैस के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हुआ और वापस से एटमॉस्फेयर में चला गया. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि नाइट्रोजन, दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट नाइट्रोजन रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. एज अ रिजल्ट द परसेंट ऑफ nitrogen that we have seen already, that is the 78%, it remains constant in the atmosphere. Okay, more or less it is constant only. Okay, so this was about nitrogen cycle. I will be showing you the flow diagram of nitrogen cycle. I hope it will be very clear to you. Nitrogen fixation, 3 types of fixation we have seen: biological, industrial and atmospheric. Then nitrification we have seen, how nitrates are formed, assimilation, ammonification and denitrification की finally वापस से नाइट्रोजन गैस बन जाती है जो कि बैक्टीरिया के थ्रू एटमॉस्फेयर में ले लिया जाता है. इसीलिए more or less the percent of nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen remains constant. Okay, so let's see the flow diagram of this nitrogen cycle. So we have seen the steps involved in the nitrogen fixation. Here you can see a diagram to show the nitrogen cycle. That is the atmosphere nitrogen. How if lightning or by bacteria, both the methods are there. I have already told you lightning or nitrogen fixing by bacteria by some of the atmospheric nitrogen fixers. Okay. So these bacteria they turn to fix nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. Okay, या तो lightning के भी थ्रू वही चीज होती है और फिर बाद में दोनों जाके कंपाउंड ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इन सॉइल में मिक्स हो जाएंगे और नाइट्रोजनस वे it is then uptaken by the plants and the animals that eat these plants. They are dependent on those animals, dependent on the plants. They take the proteins and all that is formed. And again this nitrogenous waste from the excretion and death, and the cycles keeps on repeating and the atmospheric nitrogen remains in a fixed amount, in a fixed ratio, in a fixed percentage. Okay, in detail I have already told you how these bacterial compounds converts nitrogen into various gaseous nitrogen. Okay, so this was all about. Here we end our chapter microorganisms, friend and foe. As you have already seen that we have completed it in 5 parts. The first initial 4 parts deals with the usefulness and harmness of microorganisms, and this 5th part deals with the total nitrogen cycle. Okay, and this cycle is very important in class 8 also and in future also, in competitive exams also. Okay, so this was all for today. If you like my video, please give a like button, and if you have not subscribed our channel Only Scholar, please go and subscribe it. Here you can see this is our app on Google Play. You can just go and download it. It's with the name CSCS e-learning solutions. You will download it, then you will get that. There are videos, PDF notes are there, online test, MCQ questions are there, you can give that. And we also deal with live classes. If you are interested for the live classes, you can also tell us for that. You can contact us for that. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.